No, the prosecution.
The prosecution would like to call the defendant to the stand.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear to tell nothing but the truth, but the truth is truth, and the whole truth in the wide world?
The defendant, on May 7th, 2013, at 1200 hours, attempted to enter Norai-Totska, claiming that he was completely equal to any citizen of Norai-Totska. Now, are you a citizen?
No, but according to the Declaration of Human Rights, I'm equal to anybody.
But you are not a citizen of Norai-Totska, which means you do not follow under the same laws of Norai-Totskan citizens, which means you are clearly not equal. On May 14th, 2013, at 1,000 hours, the defendant claimed that he was free from slavery, even though not being a Norai-Totskan citizen, he is clearly under a separate jurisdiction.
Objection, Your Honor. Leading witness. Sustained.
And just because you bought me doesn't mean it. I'm going to be safe.
The defendant also attempted to have recognition as a person before the law and a right to equality before the law. Today, now, as I stand here, do you admit to that charge?
I'm here.
The defendant attempted to buy property on August 13th, 2013, trying to purchase a dairy farm, which he succeeded in.
As a dairy queen.
Either way, this dairy queen, as he likes to call it, was almost immediately confiscated. On August 20th, 2013, the defendant attempted to have a peaceful assembly trying to get his dairy queen back. Do you admit to that charge?
But according to my human rights, it's not easy.
But you are not a citizen. You do not own property in Norai-Totska. The prosecution rests its case.
We will now hear from the defense.
The defense has no questions to cross-examine the defense, but we would like to call the prosecution to bench. Specifically, one prosecutor to bench.
Be seated. Raise your right hand. You swear to tell nothing but the truth, and the truth is truth, and the whole truth in the whole wide world?
As truthfully as possible.
Proceed.
Could you please state your full name for the court?
Magnus Jebediah Kyle.
Magnus Jebediah Kyle, do you admit to purchasing him as a slave when he first entered Norai-Totska?
As it is legal with the law, I have done so.
Now, do you also admit that when you confiscated his dairy queen, you put it in your own pocket?
I do admit to doing that, as is legal by Norai-Totskan Law 37.
Now, you as a great prosecutor must know all of the laws and all of the agreements that Norai-Totska has made. Yes, is that correct?
As many are as currently applicable.
Now, in 1984, do you realize what law the Norai-Totska signed into, or what agreement the Norai-Totska signed into?
I believe it was some easily decided, I believe one vote decided that Norai-Totska would sign a United Nations Human Rights Declaration.
Yes, in 1984, Norai-Totska signed the Declaration of Human Rights, and they also joined the United Nations. Now, do you realize that in Norai-Totska, when they adopted the Human Rights Declaration, they kept Article 6. Now, do you know what Article 6 of the Human Rights Declaration is?
Something about recognition as a person before the law.
All right, now, Judge, may I have permission to read Article 6 of the Declaration?
You may.
Thank you. So, Article 6 states, for the jury and for the court, that everyone has the right to recognition everywhere as a person before the law.
Objection.
Overruled.
Now, if that means everyone,
Objection.
Overruled. Case dismissed.